I still, believe it or not, chat, have not fully accepted the name Mater. I know I said that when we left last time. I feel like I just need to watch how he acts a little longer. But I'm still not obsessed with that name. It might end up being his name, but I'm also open to changing it. Still. So if you're watching him and something strikes you and you're like, it's gotta be this, tell me. I don't like Mater. It gives me patriarchy vibes. What? Mater is like such an ally. Tow Mater?
What?
Tow Mater? Yeah, he is. I trust him.